Assalamu alaikum. My chapter of TQUM is Supplier Partnership. Topics of today's discussion: introduction, partnering, sourcing, supplier selection, principles of customer-supplier relations, supplier certification, supplier rating, relationship development. Introduction. Organization and suppliers have the same goal to satisfy the end user. David suggested that long-term relationship with loyalty and trust should be developed with supplier to ensure improved products and services. Just-in-time concept calls for raw materials and components to be delivered in small quantities when they are required and not before. Partnering is a long-term commitment between two or more organizations for the purpose of achieving a specific business goals and objectives. It has three key elements: long-term commitment, trust, and shared vision. Long-term commitment. Long-term commitment provides the needed environment for both parties to work toward continuous improvement. Total organization involvement is necessary CEO to the workers. Each party contributes its unique strengths to the process. A supplier may only take risks in a long-term commitment. Trust. The strength of partnering is based on fairness and parity. Mutual trust forms the basis for a strong working relationship. Open and frequent communication avoids misdirection, disputes, and strengthens the relationship. Shared vision. Each of the partnering organization must understand the need to satisfy the final customer. There should be an open and candid exchange of needs and expectations. Shared objectives and goals ensure a common direction aligned with each party's mission. Sourcing. There are three types of sourcing: sole sourcing, multiple sourcing, and single sourcing. Sole sourcing. Organization is forced to use only one supplier. Technical specifications, patents, raw materials, locations, etc. cause this kind of sourcing. Partnering is a natural consequence to benefit the end user. Multiple sourcing. Two or more suppliers for an item are used. Competition will result in better quality, lower cost, and better services. It eliminates disruption of supply due to strikes, etc. Single sourcing. A planned decision by the organization to select one supplier for an item when several sources are available. Advantages for the organization include reduced cost, complete accountability, supplier loyalty, partnering, and a better end product with less variability. It has allowed organization to reduce their supplier base. Supplier selection. Following are the conditions for the selection and evaluation of suppliers. Supplier knows management policy of the organization. Stable management system of supplier respected by others. Supplier has the capability of dealing with technological innovations. Supplier can supply material meeting quality specifications. Supplier has capability to meet the amount of production. Supplier can breach corporate secrets. The supplier is easily accessible in terms of transpiration and communication. The supplier is sincere in implementing the contract provisions. The supplier has an effective quality system and improvement program. The supplier has a track record of customer satisfaction and organization credibility. These conditions go beyond evaluating a supplier on the basis of quality, price, and delivery. Principles of customer and supplier relations. Dr. Kaoru Ishikawa has suggested 10 principles of customer-supplier relations. Customer and supplier are fully responsible for quality control. Customer and supplier should respect each other's independence. Supplier is entitled to complete information from the customer. Non-adversarial contract between customer and supplier is needed for quality, quantity, price, delivery methods, and payments. Supplier should provide quality to meet customer satisfaction. Product quality evaluation methods should be evaluated and decided by the mutual consent of the both parties. Amicable settlement of disputes between customer and supplier should be established in the contract. Continuous information exchange will improve the product and service quality. To maintain an amicable relationship, each party should do procurement, production, and inventory planning. Best interest of the end user should be considered while doing business transactions. Supplier certification. ASQC has developed the following certification criteria. Customer and supplier shall have agreed on specifications which are mutually developed, justifiable, and not ambiguous. Supplier shall have no product-related lot rejection for a significant period of time. Supplier shall have no non-product-related rejections for a stated period of time. Supplier shall have no negative non-product-related incidents for a stated. Supplier certification. ASQC, American Standard Quality Council, has developed the following certification criteria. Customer and supplier shall have agreed on specifications which are mutually developed, justifiable, and not ambiguous. Supplier shall have no product-related lot rejections for a significant period of time. Supplier shall have no non-product related rejections for a stated period of time. Supplier shall have no negative non-product related incidents for a stated period of time. Supplier shall have a fully documented quality system. Supplier shall have successfully passed an on-site system evaluation. Supplier must know and make inspections and tests. Supplier shall have the ability to timely provide inspection and test data. Supplier rating. Supplier rating system is based on quality, delivery, and other added services. The objectives of rating system are to obtain an overall rating of supplier performance, to ensure communication with suppliers in the areas of quality, services, and other desired measures, to to provide supplier with a detailed and factual record of problems for corrective action, to enhance the relationship between the customer and supplier. Relationship development. All the previously discussed issues contribute the development of relationship. It includes inspection, training, team approach, recognition, and award. Inspection. The goal is to eliminate or automate the inspection process. It has 4 phases: 100% inspection, sampling, audit, and identity check. Training. All personnel should receive quality awareness and problem solving, technical and safety training. Team approach. Customer or supplier teams are established in the areas such as product design, process design, and quality system. Recognition and award. Incentives or recognition in the form of newsletters, letter of accommodation ensures that suppliers remain committed to a quality improvement strategy. Thank you very much.